Hey everyone, happy Halloween! Welcome to Keto Food Network. Today we're going to be smashing it up with some salmon cakes. Yeah, this should be fun, exciting, and yummy. Come on, let's go to my kitchen. Welcome back to the Keto Kitchen. Okay, so I already prepared all the ingredients that we're going to need to make our salmon cakes. So let's start and I'll tell you what we need, okay? 10 ounces of canned salmon. You can go with fresh if you know how to break it up when it's fresh. 1/4 cup of finely ground pork rinds, plain. 2 tablespoons of regular mayo, of course mine is the homemade version. 4 tablespoons of jalapeno. Okay, you can go with fresh version. I forgot to pick up a fresh jalapeno, so I just used the canned one I had in my cabinet. 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. A 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 egg, coconut oil for the frying, and a large mixing bowl. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is going to take the salmon and throw it in the bowl. Next, we'll add everything else. Of course, the egg is going to be used as a binder. Okay, now the mayo. Now, I've never personally had salmon cakes, so this is going to be a treat for me and my hubby. And I think it's kind of ghoulish, too, for Halloween. I mean, it looks like a big monster mash party going on in there, right? Okay. And now for the spices, I'm just going to type them right in there. Okay. Alright, now once everything's in your bowl, you're just going to mix it all up. And you're going to get some salt and pepper to taste. I don't like my stuff too salty because you add too much salt, you can't take it out. You can always add it when you're eating, right? Okay. Bit more salt. Okay. And remember, if you're using mayonnaise and you make your own, it's salted as well. Alright, so let's heat up our pan. I'll put it on 6 setting. Okay. Get out some oil. Some Earl to fry up our salmon cakes. Okay. While we wait for the pan to heat up, you want it nice and sizzling before you add your salmon patties. We're going to form the patties. Now you can get 4 large patties out of this, or you can get 6 smaller patties, like a slider size, okay? So let's do that now. Just put it right in your hand. My hands are clean, don't worry, folks. Okay, so we just form a regular size patty. Okay. Alright, there's 1. I'm just going to do 4 good size patties because there's not a lot of people in my household, so. Okay. There's 2. I can imagine taking these off the plate. It's going to be a little difficult, but the pan is hot. Patties are all shaped out and ready to go in. So let's try to add this. Okay. We'll just flatten it out when it goes in, right? There you go. Perfect. And you're going to want to cook these on medium-high setting, 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown on each side. I'm not going to be able to fit all 4 in the pan, so we'll just do 3. I don't know if you folks know this, but when you're cooking in a pan and you want to keep the heat going, do not overcrowd the pan because then you're going to lose the heat and it's take longer to cook and you won't get a nice brown side. So we'll let these cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side and I'll meet you back here when it's time to flip them. Okay, they've been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm going to flip them because it looks like they're getting a little too brown on the outside. So let's flip these bad boys. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's exactly what you want. Nice golden brown, crusty, and they're going to finish cooking on that side, and then we'll take them off the pan and see how they did. Alright, I'm going to take them off the stove. They've been cooking for another 4 minutes on the opposite side, so let's go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Those will look delicious. And if you had some cheese, You can put a slice of cheese on the top. For here, I'm going to be preparing some asparagus and kale to go with the side, but you could treat it as a burger and maybe add some cheese on there, make your own keto bun, or wrap it up in lettuce. That would be delicious. Or even like if you're doing the dirty keto, you can use a low carb wrap. I think you can find them with 3 grams of carb per wrap. Anyways, that's my kitchen. We made some salmon burgers, and we'll don't forget to like my page, subscribe to my page, and click that little bell just below so you can get informed when I upload some more stuff. Thanks, guys. Happy Halloween, and until next time.
Happy